Hey guys, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration channel. I'm still working on this trunk panel that I'm in the process of making. I've got the top trimmed up quite a bit here, and this is where I'm going to try to match it in. And then I also had to cut back on this flange. It wasn't quite right, but so now I got to rerun the bead roller for the flanging tool. But the fit is pretty close. It's pretty close. I mean, I think it's going to be fine for what I'm trying to accomplish. So, you know, one of the things I got to remind you guys: this is to be a driver. It's not to be a perfect show car. And so, one of the things I've had to do also is I had to put a patch in here, and then working on this also back here, putting this patch in and then just welding some holes shut. But grinding them off, somebody suggested one of those little belt sanders. I think that's going to be the hot ticket. I need to pick one of those up, make a little extra money here. So, but anyhow, just give you guys an idea of what I'm doing and that I am progressing. It's finally warm today. It's like 70 degrees here today, so that's nice. And one of the things that I also have to do is I have to replace this up here. This whole lip on the trunk has got to be replaced. And I do have a panel to go in there I got from a gentleman. But everything takes a little bit of work. A little work here, a little work there. It's a work in progress, they say, right? So you do what you can do. And so anyways, I hope you guys are get some things done on your projects. Keep the rubber side down, and we'll talk to you later on.